Good morning, students. Continuation of rational numbers chapter. In today's class, you will learn finding rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Example sums. Write any three rational numbers between -2 and 0. See children here, -2 and 0 are now not rational numbers. First we have to write -2 as a rational number. So -2 by 1 is a rational number, and 0 by 1 divided by 1 you have to write, then it will be converted into p by q form. Now it is a rational number. Now we have to find three rational numbers between -2 and 0. So just if you take -2 by 1 and 0 by 1, in between three rational numbers you will not get. So you are getting only one rational number, that is -1 by 1. So here it is given three rational numbers. So find out first equivalent rational number by multiplying same number to the numerator and the denominator. Now I have multiplied by 10. You can multiply by any number, children. No such rules, you have to multiply by 10 only or 5 only. But when you multiply, you have to think whether you are getting three rational numbers between these two or not. You have to think about that. Just if you check the numerators, then you will come to know you are getting or not. So you can multiply by 15 also, you can multiply by 20 also, you can multiply by 7 also. That is your choice. So I have multiplied by 10. So -20 by 10 I am getting. So here if you multiply 0 by 10 I am getting. Now denominators are equal. Numerators you see. Now -20 and 0. In between -20 and 0, more than 3 rational numbers we are getting. So you have to, when you multiply, you have to think about that. More than 3 you can get, but it should not be less than 3. So in between these two, now denominators will be same, but numerators in between means -20 if it come, so lesser than that. So -19, -18, -17 by 10 are three rational numbers. You can write, no, here these numbers are in order. You can write, instead of this -19 by 10, -5 by 10 you can write, -3 by 10 you can write. By skipping the numbers in between, you can choose the numbers, rational numbers, such that those numbers should be in between -20 and 0. That is your choice. Any three rational numbers you can write. So now next question, write any 10 rational numbers between -5 by 6 and 5 by 8. See here, the difference between this and this is, here denominators are different. Here after writing it in the rational form, denominators are same. Here denominators are different. So one method is, last year we learned first equating the denominator. Instead of that, directly you can do, write equivalent rational numbers. So I have multiplied 4 to the numerator and the denominator. For the first rational number, I got here -20 by 24. After you multiply 4, denominator we got here 24. Now when you find equivalent fraction for the second rational number, you have to see that denominators must be equal. To 8, which number you have to multiply to get 24, you have to think, and that number you have to choose, not same number. Here 4, not here also 4. If you multiply here also 4, you will not, denominators will be different. Denominator must be same. So that, about that you have to think. 24 you got, from 8 to get 24 you have to multiply by 3. Same number to the numerator also. So 15 by 24. Now 10 they told. So -20 and 15, in between more than 10 rational numbers are there. So 10, any 10 rational numbers you write. -20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, -14, -13. So I have chosen here 20 by 10 by 24. By skipping the numbers in between, I choose now 10 by 24. This also in between -20 and 15, 8 by 24, 1 by 24 are 10 rational numbers. Any numbers you can choose, but it should be in between -20 and 15. Next question, write 10 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 5 by 3. Again similar sum. Find equivalent rational numbers for both the rational numbers. So I have multiplied here by 5 into 6, 7 into 6, 30 by 42. But when you multiply for the second rational number, you have to think about this. For 3, which number you have to multiply to get 42? Denominators must be same. Numerator can be different, denominators must be same. So I have to multiply by 14 to get 42. So same number to the numerator. 5 4 is 14, that 70. 70 by 42. In between these two, 30 by 42 and 70 by 42, many rational numbers are there. Any 10 writing. So 31 by 42, 32 by 42, and 33 by 34, 35, 68 I have chosen here. 68 by 42, 69 by 42, 50 by 42, 61 by 42, 56 by 42 are 10 rational numbers. Next, write any 5 rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. Again, similar sum. So I have multiplied by 6 here, 36 I got. So now I have to think to 3 which number I have to multiply to get 36. So 12. So same number. So in between that, these are the 5 rational numbers. Next question. Write any 5 rational numbers greater than minus 3. Greater than minus 3. Only one, not between. Greater than minus 3. So first you write minus 3 as in the form of rational number minus 3 by 1. For minus 3 by 1, write any one equivalent rational number. So I have multiplied by 5. You can multiply by 10 also. You can multiply by 2 also. That is your choice. It is not always 5. So 5 means not multiplying by 5. Don't think like that. 5 means you can multiply by 6 also. You can multiply by 10 also. So I have multiplied by 5 minus 15 by 5. So greater means bigger numbers. So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10. You can write here 1 by 5 also you can write. It should not be in order. Next, write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5. So first you write that in the rational number form, 5 by 1, equivalent fractions finding. See here I have multiplied by 10. You can multiply it by 5 also. So I got 50 by 10. Smaller means 49 by 10, 48 by 10. Denominators will be same, numerators are different. Now here, one more point is, here this question, write 10 rational numbers between 5 by 7 and 5 by 3. Here numerators are same, children. See this point, you have to make a note. 5 by 7 and 5 by 3, numerators are same. In this case, we have to, here numerator will be, denominators we have to equate. So same thing, same like other sum, 42, and here also 42. Numerators will be, you will get different numerators, and writing in between those two 10 rational, how many 10 rational numbers you have to write. So these are the 5 example sums. Similar sums are there in exercise. So till here you have done first and second. Today's homework is 3, 4, 5. In that 5, 3 sums are there, 6 and 7. These sums are homework for you. Any doubt you can ask. Refer example sums, understand it and do, children. Thank you.